The 2008 Lincoln Town Car. The new Lincoln Town Car is a classic, elevated to new heights. Since 1981, the Town Car has been spoiling up to 6 occupants with spacious and luxurious accommodations, which now include best-in-class trunk space, power and fuel economy, a 5-star safety rating, and standard features that are anything but standard, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, 4-wheel ABS, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.